Do you wake up with stomach burning, constant bloating, or a heavy, painful gut? Millions rely on temporary antacids that only mask the issue. Today on Health Remedy Hub, we are sharing a simple 100% natural gel recipe that coats and soothes your stomach lining in just 21 days. The hero of this remedy is flaxseed. Flaxseeds are not just ordinary seeds. They are one of nature's most powerful natural soothing agents for the digestive tract. When simmered in water, flaxseeds release a unique soluble fiber called mucilage. This forms a thick, protective gel that coats sensitive stomach walls, calming irritation and supporting natural gut repair. Here's how to prepare this soothing gel correctly. Take 1 tablespoon of organic brown flax seeds. Lightly crush them using a mortar or pestle. Crushing breaks the outer hull to release the beneficial mucilage. Add the crushed seeds to 1 glass, about 250 milliliters of water in a small pot. Bring it to a gentle boil for exactly 2 minutes. Never overboil. If you're finding this natural recipe helpful, please hit that like button right now so YouTube can share this soothing remedy with others who struggle with stomach discomfort. Turn off the stove, cover the pot, and let it rest for 10 minutes. As it cools, the water transforms into a rich, gelatinous gel that acts as a gentle shield for your stomach lining. There are 2 effective ways to consume this gel. Option 1. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Make sure to consume the softened seeds along with the liquid for maximum fiber benefits. Drink it 30 minutes before going to bed. As you sleep, the soothing mucilage works overnight to calm digestive sensitivity and promote comfortable morning bowel movements. Follow this gentle ritual consistently for 21 days. Essential tip: because flax seeds are rich in soluble fiber, make sure to drink plenty of warm water throughout the day to keep your digestion smooth. Are you ready to give your gut a fresh start? Comment "I am in" below. Share this video with family or friends dealing with stomach issues, and subscribe to Health Remedy Hub for more science-backed wellness secrets.